in Ziauddin Medical University and Dow Medical College. It was a really tough fought contest, but at the end DMC comes out as a winner by 52 runs. So congratulations to DMC. You have qualified for the final of Festive Trophy T20 Tournament 2011 Southern Region for the first time, and bad luck to the Ziauddin team, but I think good luck for the next year. I think you will come up next year with the hope to clinch that title. First of all, I would like to call the captain of Ziauddin Medical College, Kareem, to come up and have a few words with us. Kareem, bad luck. What went wrong in the field? You won the toss, you opted for ball first, and you were looking for containing them for 150 and 60 and 194. So what went wrong? Then 5 run-outs. So
yeah, when we started bowling, I thought we were doing really well. Inko contain kiya hua tha first 6-7 overs tak fase hue the, but then we dropped a lot of catches, and we obviously have ourselves to blame for that. Catches drop away, this team wouldn't have gone more than 140, 150, but obviously if you keep giving lives to the same batsman, unka ek hi banda tha, he kept playing, usne 81 tak bana liya, so you know, he was the backbone of their innings. And then we came out to bat again, our own mistakes, you know, 5 run-outs. The team never recovers from a start like that. So yeah, bad luck today.
Bad luck, Kareem, but inshallah, good luck for the future. I think we would like to see Ziauddin playing next year as well, and we'll see you a better performance. This time semi-final, I guess inshallah next time you will come, you will end up in at least a semi-final. Okay, right? So good luck for the next. Now I would like to call the captain of DMC, Faqih, to come here and have a few words. Faqih, a very disciplined and a very mature performance by your team. I think you put into bat, you scored good healthy runs, 194, and then what you have got with Hamza, I think he was throwing everything on the wickets.
First of all, I would like to thank Allah. Yes, Hamza was pretty brilliant in the field. He's all pumped up, and without his run-outs, we would have never won this match.
What about the innings of Haris? He played really well for 81.
Yeah, Daniel and Haris put a very good partnership, and Haris was the backbone of our batting, and he really played very well.
Although you have won the match, but there is always an area of improvement in one's game. So what do you think where you have to improve on if you want to win the final, and as well as if you want to qualify for the grand finale at the national level?
Our batting department is a bit weak. We have to improve in our batting, and that's all we need to do.
Okay, best of luck for the final. Now come to the man of the match, and it was really straightforward. I think no more gassing. It's very straightforward. Yes, I was saying it was really straightforward for us. For his 50 balls, 81 runs, Mohammad Haris is the man of the match. I would like Dr. Haider to please present the man of the match trophy to Haris. Well played, Haris. You know you have become the 3rd highest scorer of this tournament.
I would like to become the first one. Just give me another chance and we'll see that. And first of all, I would like to thank all the Ziauddin guys for dropping too many catches and bowling deliberately so I could score this much. And then after all, not the least, I would like to thank all my bowlers, especially Osama and Daniel for not even bowling.
Would we expect a similar knock? I think if you will be in the final and playing AKU or KMDC, they are very good fielders. So you will not be getting more chances in final.
No, I think we have played against AKU, and I would like to score knock of 100 most probably in the finals.
Okay, best of luck for the finals. So that's it. That is the end of the first semi-final, and inshallah we'll see you DMC in fact, and I would like to invite as well Ziauddin if they want to come on the 6th of February here at the same venue. Thank you.